Vehicular movement has increased around KR Market. The police officials are having a tough time keeping a check on the vehicles. The vendors have now set up makeshift shops at KR Market. Now there are several people who are thronging the market in large numbers. People can be seen roaming without face masks. So the situation is the same in KR Market. The vehicular movement has increased, and for the police officials, this has become a tougher task. Earlier they had to check all those who had vehicle passes. Now, because restrictions have been eased in the green zones, the job has become much tougher for the police officials. My colleague Prajwal Prasad joins us live from the spot with more details on this. Well, Prajwal, there are people who are continuing to step out of their homes, and now, of course, the job getting tougher for the police officials to check all the vehicles that are coming in. In KR Market, makeshift shops have also been put in place, and this is a market that people usually visit, especially on Sundays. So take us through what's happening there.
Absolutely, Pratibha. Good morning. And going ahead and looking at how the scenario is, it is no different from what we witnessed even last evening too, because the relaxation over here has brought in a lot of problems, especially for the cops too, who are finding it completely hard to manage the traffic as well as the vehicular density. But apart from that, we have over 50 to 100 shops, makeshift shops that have been set up on the footpath of KR Market too. And many people are going ahead and coming to visit over here and shop for vegetables as well as groceries and essential commodities. But one more thing which is very alarming as well as worrying is the fact that majority of them are not wearing masks. And right now we can see this entire stretch over here, Pratibha, where it is clearly being seen that people have been shopping over here, and some of them are also not even wearing masks. Even the vendors are also not wearing masks. It is not only the customers but the vendors too who are flouting all the rules that needs to be required. And we are seeing no sort of deployment over here because the cops are quite busy with managing the traffic as well as vehicular density too, and we have been witnessing a lot of vehicular traffic as well, and it has made their jobs even more difficult too. And this particular road comes right near the Victoria Hospital, and this is right outside the Victoria Hospital too. And you can imagine that majority of the COVID-19 patients from Bengaluru have been admitted to the Victoria Hospital, and the threat over here, the risk factor only goes on and increases too. And this is something which cannot be ignored by the government. But the other problem over here is also the fact that the vehicular density is not, the vehicles are not being maintained on this particular road, because both the entries and exits have been open, and it was sealed just 2 days ago. But due to the relaxation now, we are seeing that it has not been sealed too. So this is also something which they should keep in mind, and at least should make sure that it will be only those shoppers who will come there walking who will be given these vegetables or groceries, because we are also seeing majority of them coming on vehicles inside these roads too, which shouldn't be allowed or which shouldn't be done at any point of time. But apart from that, we are also seeing a lot of check by the traffic cops over here as well. And you can clearly go across and look at it, that it looks like, it is densely populated. And right now we are also seeing the traffic cops too who are present over here. And apart from them going ahead and checking the vehicles, it can clearly be seen over here that, they are finding it very hard to go on and check the vehicles too. And this is something which is quite important as well, because of the heavy deployment of the cops who are being seen over here. None of the people are coming onto these roads too. So both the civil police personnel as well as the traffic police personnel are finding it very hard to manage the traffic too. And once what happened was is the fact that they are also being overworked as well. And this is something which cannot be ignored. And time and again we have also pointed out to the fact that even they are stressed and even they are tensed when it comes to this entire scenario. But seems like that there is a lot at stake over here, because it is not only the vehicles which are carrying essential commodities, but also people who are having ID cards of their offices too are coming out. And despite it being a Sunday, they are saying that their offices have instructed them to even work on Sundays too. And we saw 2 or 3 such stray cases as well, and the police are left in a confusion whether to seize their vehicles, take some sort of action, or let them go off as well. So majority of them are flouting the lockdown orders as well, and relaxation is definitely not doing anything good for Bengaluru over here, and it is only increasing the risk factors as well, and also the number of cases that has come up in Bengaluru in the last 3 days. If you go ahead and look at it, it seems to be quite large. And if the government does not take this into consideration, then definitely we might have many more clusters which might be cropping up across the city as well.